Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a how-to on making face masks. Yes, so we are currently in the middle of this whole pandemic and you have to have a face mask while you're outside. So my girlfriend, she is currently making these masks right now. She's just using basic fabric, but because I am just so extra, I'm gonna challenge my girlfriend today to make my mask with rhinestone material. Yes. So she uses just basic fabric. I want white because white is my favorite color. So she's going to be using a half a yard of white fabric. And then she's going to be using this rhinestone fabric that I purchased in downtown LA. I will link where I purchased this from. But I want her to add this fabric to my white mask. So I'm going to challenge her today. We're going to see if she can do it. So keep on watching so you can see if she can actually make my mask like this.
So these are the two patterns. One is for the outside fabric and the other one is for the inner fabric. So now she's folding the fabric in half because she wants to have two pieces for the inner portion. And then she just pins them down and then she'll cut it out. Next, what she's doing is going to take the rhinestone fabric, she's going to fold it in half, and then she's going to pin the outside pattern onto the fabric. And you'll also notice that she cuts a far distance, like outside of the pattern, just to kind of give her a little working room with this. So you'll see why she does this later in the video. Next, what she's doing is she's cutting the pattern for the outside fabric. So she's going to sew the outside pattern with the white fabric and the rhinestone fabric together. So this is going to be the outer portion. Now she's sewing the two inner portions together right in the center where the mask would go over your nose. And as you can see, next she's taking the outer fabric, both the rhinestone fabric and the white fabric. She's pinning those together and she's going to sew them together as well. So she was able to get through the first part without breaking her needle, very slowly. So as you can see, she's doing it again for the other side, pinning it together, and then she's going to sew it where the nose part is, the longest side. So this part is her sewing together both of the outer fabrics together, and then she's going to sew it where like the nose portion is, the longest side. She's sewing both of them together. So now you can see how she sewed both of the outer fabrics together in the longest portion of the nose part. Next, what she's doing is she's going to take the inner fabric and she's going to sew it to the outer fabric on the top portion where it goes around your nose, and then the bottom portion where it goes around your chin. So now that everything is sewn together, she's going to pull it inside out. And as you can see, it's going to be nicely sewn together. You won't be able to see any of the stitching. And there's your mask. So next what she's doing is she's pinning the sides down so she can sew them together and just fixing the hem. And she's doing the same thing on the other side. Now, if you guys are wondering why we're using black thread, it's because we wanted you to see the actual stitching and where she's stitching a lot of this. Normally we would use white, but we wanted to use black so you guys could see what was actually happening. So as you can see, she's just stitching this side, and you can leave one side open so you can put your filter inside the mask, which she does, and I will show you that a little later. Next, we're doing the elastic straps on the side to go over your ear. So she measures about 8 1/4 long, and she'll do 2 of these. Now the measurement of the actual elastic is 1/4. She takes a safety pin, puts it in one end, and then she shimmies it through the side of the face mask to get the elastic in. And as you can see, the opening on that side, so that's where I can put my filter. And then she does the same thing on the other side. Next, what she's going to do is she's going to pin the straps closed, and she's showing that she's going to use this to the far left, number 5, and this is what's going to be used to do the stitching to close up the strap. You can see it's like going side to side. So she does the same thing on the other side. She pins it and then she sews the straps together.
All right, so she has finished it. You guys ready to see what this looks like? Here it is. Put my mask on. What do you guys think? Isn't this so cute? Oh my God. I love it. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Oh. Isn't this so fire? She did it. You did that, girl. You did that. I love it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. I will link all of her information below so you can reach out to her if you'd like to order one from her or if you'd like to make your own. But this is what it looks like. It is bomb. I love it. It's so fire. I cannot wait to wear this out in public. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions like always, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!